Bitcoin's BTC's 0.63% gain in the past 24 hours reflects a search for protection amid geopolitical uncertainty and growing demand from financial institutions amid trade policy concerns. Trade tensions, Trump's tariff deadline has generated volatility, increasing interest in BTC as a hedge. Institutional adoption, many UK companies have added BTC to their reserves, following the example of Bhutan, which has a $1.3 billion reserve of clean mined Bitcoin. Technical strength price remains above key moving averages, 50-day simple moving average at $105.8 thousand, with a MACD indicator showing an uptrend. Detailed analysis. 1. Key catalyst: geopolitical hedge. Bitcoin surged to $109,600 on June 29 after investors reacted to Trump's announcement of a tariff suspension. Headline: Trump considers deadline for tariff suspension. With $203 million in short positions recently liquidated BTC. This move reinforces BTC's role as a hedge against instability caused by trade tensions. 2. Supporting factors: institutional accumulation. Corporate treasuries, 9 UK listed companies have adopted Bitcoin reserves, following the strategy of companies such as Meet a Planet and MicroStrategy. UK companies. Sovereign interest: Bhutan, which uses hydroelectric power to mine its 12 tower towers, and BTC, valued at $1.3 billion, is now the third largest national holder of Bitcoin. Bhutan. 3. Technical context. Bullish crossover on MACD. The histogram at plus 432 indicates an increase in bullish momentum. Field levels: the price remains above the pivot point at $107,259, with Fibonacci resistance at $110,561. Volume: the trading volume in the last 24 hours was $33 billion, minus 5% from the previous day, suggesting cautious participation. Conclusion: Bitcoin's rally combines the demand for protection due to tariffs, steady inflows from institutional investors, and positive technical signals. While the market is not in euphoria, these factors create a basis for possible breakout attempts towards $110K. Will the drop in BTC dominance from 64.83% to 64.76% indicate rotation to altcoin if geopolitical risks subside?